Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between photo and video on your GoPro MAX2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your GoPro MAX2 and you're wondering how to switch between photo and video. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on or open up or turn on your GoPro Max 2 by holding on the left button. And then once it's turned on, you're going to see on the top hand side, there's like a video icon. Now, if you swipe to the left, that's going to switch you to photo. And if you swipe to the left again, or that's going to switch you to video. If you swipe that way, that's going to switch you to time lapse. Now, it is important to note that right now you're in 360 mode. You can tell by the globe icon there, but if you swipe down and then click on camera mode 360, that's going to switch you back to single lens mode. So now you can actually go ahead and just take a straight photo using the single lens, just like that. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between photo and video on your GoPro Max 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.